Hey all, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss Python interview questions. This is the question number 42. So given an integer array nums and an integer k, so we need return true if there is two distinct indices I and j in the array such that number of I and j number of j is equal, that element should be equal, and the difference between their indices is less than equal to given integer k. So that is the problem. We'll see with example scenario. As you said, we are given two input, that is number with, that is first is array and an integer k. So we have to check we equal values there in that array is there. So first one is repeating. We know that on the third position one is repeating. So number of 0 and number of third are both are 1. So we have to find out 3 minus 0, that is 3, which is equal to k. So it is less than or equal to k. So it should return true. Same way we'll check out the scenario 2. In this we have given an array of 1011 and a k integer is 1. So we'll iterate. So we'll find out for zeroth and second element are repeating, but 2 minus 0 is 2, that is greater than 1, so it won't count. Then we'll go through each, iterate to each, and we'll find out number 2 and the second and third indices are equal. Then 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, that is less than or equal to the given integer. So it will return true. Same way, we'll go one more scenario. Third, we'll check out here. Here we can see the equal values, but that is zeroth and third. 3 minus 0 is 3, that is greater than 2, given integer 2, so it won't count. Because then we can see repeating 2 and 2, but that difference is greater than 2, that so it will return false. So we'll see how we can solve this problem. So first what we have to do is we have to initialize a index map dictionary. The dictionary keep track of the last seen index of each element in the array. Then iterate over the array. We iterate over the array using enumerator. We know that the enumerator is using to the get the index and the value, both index I and the value num at each steps. If the element num has been seen before it exists, we'll check the difference between the current index and the last seen index. If it's less than or equal to given number k, if the condition is satisfied, the function return true. Otherwise, it will repeat through the loop. Whether or not a duplicate is found, we update the dictionary with the current index of the element. So if no such a pair indices is found during the iteration, the function return false. So it will go through all the array element and find out the difference. If its indices difference is greater than the given number, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. So here is the code. In that, we use a function and we have input of array and the integer. We have dictionaries to store the last seen index of each element, and we enumerate it to get indices and the number. We'll check number is there in the first case, it won't come, so it will initialize the first value there. Then second case, it will check out with the second value. If any case if one are coming means it will go inside this and we'll check it out. The indices differences is less than equal to true. In that case, it will return true. Otherwise, it will iterate to the array. So we'll see the example usage here. Here is see that 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. So k is 3. It will return true because that difference is